much sand we have. Wow, a little orange car is driving on the sand. Look, it got stuck. The little car won't make it any further. We need an even road. The little dump trucks have brought us something. Oh wow, it's the parts for some kind of construction vehicle. So many parts. Let's put the little car to the side so it doesn't get in the way of construction. Now let's start to build the construction vehicle. We take the frame and 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we add the cab and the bucket. Now we have a bulldozer. But if it's going to work, we'll need a driver. First, we need to create a mound. The mound is uneven, so we'll need an excavator. Let's change the bucket. The driver can fix everything with an excavator. Let's go! Now it's smoothed out. To make the road even, we need a steamroller. This driver knows how to use a steamroller. Look at how smooth our road is. Little car, you can go now. Beep.